Unit 12, Lesson 2, use modals of deduction. In this grammar lesson, you are learning about modals, words such as may, might, could, can, and must. And when we talk about deduction, another word to think about that is to draw conclusions. And so you might have an educated guess or a theory about a situation and how that situation is going to play out or how it will conclude. Looking at the chart on the bottom of page 224, again, you have a theory or a guess about something. When you're less certain, use words like may, might, or could. Okay, so I'm not sure about this website. It might contain wrong information. Remember always in English, after you have a modal, after you use a modal, you always have the base form of a verb. And so I'm underlining the base form here. I don't know where Lee is. He may be meeting with his attorney. And so you can use it in the present, the continuous, he may be meeting. You can also use it in the past. Maybe she went to court. She could, there's my modal. Have, there's my base verb. Gone, there's my past participle. She could have gone to court. When you feel pretty certain about a situation or a conclusion, you're going to have a stronger feeling. And so a strong theory, you're very certain here. Again, you can use these in the present, the continuous, and the past. So I'm sure that's incorrect. It must be a mistake. And again, notice after the modal, use the base form of the verb. I'm almost positive he has jury duty today. He must be sitting in court right now. Again, modal, base verb, and then the present continuous participle ing. In the past, there's no way he rented every apartment. He must have lied to you. Okay. Again, with contractions, you can say could have is contracted to could have. In the negative, couldn't have, or American English we say couldn't have. You can also use must in the contracted form, must have, and might have. But we don't use must not have as a contracted form when drawing conclusions. I can't say he mustn't have. That changes the meaning of it. This bullet says could have has a very different meaning than he couldn't have or she couldn't have. So she could have been at the meeting, but I didn't see her. That has a very different meaning from she could not have been there, couldn't have been there. Okay. On Blackboard, there's a lot of handouts and documents for further instruction on this. So please see Blackboard for more information.